All right, guys, we are back at CMV Truck Centre and we are here to show you behind the scenes of what goes on here. We have Paul Crisp here. How you going, mate?
Charlie, going well, mate.
That's the go. He's going to be showing us around and see what goes on here. So let's go check it out.
Cool, come for a look.
Sweet.
So we're here inside our new truck showroom, Charlie.
Yep.
As you can see on display, we've got a couple of new T909s.
Yeah.
These are 135 tonne rated trucks that, they've been put together here on site, manufactured over in Melbourne, put together locally here, the majority of the work done down in pre-delivery, so we'll show you that later.
All right, so showroom, now where are we going?
We're going to go and check out our parts showroom, so follow me, Charlie.
Sweet.
Parts department's home to about 50 staff here.
Okay.
Yeah, we're about 135 on site collectively.
Yeah,
and
right.
Yeah, the vast majority of those are in parts. Lots of quick moving items, lots of merchandise, truck drivers in particular love the merchandise. All things Kenworth, all things DAF that you can come and try on.
That's it, isn't it?
We'll take you through to our parts warehouse next.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so in here we've got the best part of 12,000 individual lines of parts.
Yeah, right.
At any one time, there's $6 million worth of gear sitting on shelves here, and the team are doing upwards of 60 deliveries out of here every single day. So it's another 3 times the size of what you see downstairs, upstairs.
Oh,
yeah, so as you can imagine, it's very difficult to always have every single part we need here, given that there's so many trucks on the road that are 30, 40 plus years old. But we're pretty proud that we run at about a 97% fulfillment rate for parts orders.
Okay.
Yep.
Far out. That's unreal. This place is massive.
We've actually got an on-site gym.
Oh yeah, so how good.
Before work, lunchtime, smoko, after work, every second Tuesday we have an on-site physio consulting out of here for our staff free of charge.
This is awesome.
It's the first time I've been in here. Through this way, we've got some facilities for our drivers. A couple of bedrooms, a couple of showers, a couple of bathrooms, a little lounge and a telly.
Get the full treatment.
You can watch your truck getting worked on through the window.
Roof, there's some trucks in there.
This is where the new trucks get dropped off for the servicing.
I like these ones. These are the
909 flat roof.
Flat roof.
Nah, that is an awesome truck. That actually carts around racing cars, that one. So they'll be heading off to Bathurst in a few weeks' time. It's our workshop control room in here, Charlie.
How you doing, guys?
So again, these guys are scheduling work for the best part of 40 odd mechanics on the tools out the back. We'll get you to whack on the glasses, Charlie.
Oh yeah.
We're big on safety here in the workshop.
Yeah,
so
fair enough. Safety squints don't cut it anymore.
That's right. We have a DAF team, Kenworth team, general servicing team and electrical. So we'll work through and show you a bit of what each team does. So I said DAF team as well. They're right next to the Cummins team.
Yep.
So general Kenworth servicing in here.
Yep.
This end of the workshop's our general servicing area. We'll give you a real behind the scenes downstairs in the pits. There's not too many people would come down here, but
yeah, right.
And it's 6'8". I don't know how you'd go being a mechanic. You'd be ducking all day every day.
Yeah. I'll be using that physio flat out, I reckon. And then so these are filled with all the oils that you'd use, sort of thing.
Yep.
What's this one?
Another Diamond T, another part of the Heritage Collection.
Yeah, right. I love the patina on it. It's unreal.
Yeah. They come in for a tidy up before Beta Birdwoods and that sort of thing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Very cool.
They don't break down. They just run out of fuel on us generally.
Bloody maze is right.
It is.
Up and down, all around. How good.
So first phase electrical work.
Yeah.
And then everything the other side of these trucks is new builds getting put together. So again, we've got 20 guys on the tools in here. Everything from diesel mechanics, fabrication teams, got boiler makers, fitters and turners. We've got auto electricians, and then trades assistants as well. So they all play a part in getting these trucks put together to get to work.
Shit, these are flash, eh?
Yeah, so again, that shows you a bit of a before and after of how they'll come over from the factory and of things that we've fabricated here.
Yeah.
We've got brake presses, welding bays, folders, you name it. It can be done here.
All in-house, it's unreal.
These trucks will run Darwin, so they've got multiple fridges, TVs, microwaves, inverters, anything you need to live in a truck for 6,000 Ks round trip.
Fabricating boxes. And
so they're actually microwave cabinets.
Oh,
so they'll get trimmed, and installed as part of the truck, and it'll actually look like it came there from factory.
Yeah, awesome.
We've got a gantry here that the guys will be up on top of, fitting roof lights, fitting exhaust, that sort of thing. So again, safety first. Can't have you hanging off the top of a 4 metre prime mover.
Well, you know, we got smoke soon, so I think even...
Yes, hurry it up. No worries, mate. We're nearly done here, mate. There you go.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Excellent.
Thanks, Mason.
No worries.
Perfect, certified.
Wash bay. You drive your B double through there, leave your stock crates at home. You don't need all the cow shit here.
Yeah, no. There are limits to what you can clean.
Correct. So as you can see, there's not too much going on here at the moment, but we can hear each other speaking. So that typically tells me it's smoko time. This is where the guys will have smokos and lunch. It's a huge room. We'll have our Christmas lunches in here as well.
Sweet.
So we'll get 130 odd people here. In here, offices. Last year we delivered 250 trucks.
Whoa.
PACCAR this year have given us a quota of 280 trucks.
Oh, good on them.
Yeah, exactly.
So back in the showroom, that's a
in the showroom,
whole
mate.
facility.
Yeah,
It's,
she's a big beast.
Yeah, it's
But
amazing.
Really appreciate you coming through and having a look at seeing what we do here, mate.
Yeah, absolutely. It's pretty cool to see sort of how all the trucks sort of go through, and then how you look after your staff, and I mean the gym, the physios, and break rooms and everything, and all the different places. It's pretty incredible. So thank you for taking me through, mate.
It's our pleasure. Thanks again,
Thank you.
Charlie.
And
Cheers.
hopefully we'll do some more stuff soon.
That's it.